Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs and fix this band on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides in the small sections and fix them in the line one by one like this. Tie the hairs carefully till the end, till the length of the band, and fix the hairs. Now at the end we will tie the hairs together like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and fix the hair clip. Now take the hairs on the sides and then roll them together like this and fix it in the between as shown in the video and one strand on the sides. Now take the another section of the hairs from the left side and then fold it in the same manner and fix them like this. Fix one strand in the between and it's ready. Next, make a ponytail and then fix the hairs in the half. Now pull the hairs backward and fix it inside the hairs like this. Now spread the hairs and then put the clip over it or rubber band over it to fix it tightly and your hairstyle will be ready. So next is we'll be taking the hairs and then make a high ponytail. Now fix this beautiful ribbon on the hairs. Now to fix the ribbon together with the hairs, we will make the plaits on the hairs like this. Tie it till the end and fix the ribbon very carefully along with the hairs like this. And after that, tie it at the end and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, make a high ponytail, fold the hairs and then fix it in the half using the rubber band. Now fold it down and tie it from the end like this from the between and then fix it by folding the hairs inside. Fix the hairs carefully as shown in the video and then put the hair bun pin or the clutches to fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to take the hairs like this from the sides or the top. Just take small section and tie it like this. Now, after that, we have to take the hairs from the sides and tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now, fix the hairs into each other as shown in the video. Now, after that, fix the hairs carefully as shown here. Put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. First, tie the ponytail like this using a rubber band and then fold the hairs upward like this and then rotate it first. And after that, fix it in the half on the top and put the hair clutch over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs like this on the sides and then keep it aside like this. So first, we will separate the hairs and fix the clip on the top. Now take small sections from the front and then roll it and fix it inside the hair clips one by one as shown in the video. Fix it carefully as we are fixing here and then tie the hairs like this one by one and then follow the steps as shown and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the back like this and tie it. Now fix it using the rubber band. Now roll it using the hair bun pin on the top. Fix it after folding it like this and tie the hairs. And your hairstyle is ready. We'll be fixing the hairs in the same manner and your hairstyle will be done. Next, you have to take the hairs like this on the back, tie it like this. Now fix the hairs by folding it using the fingers on the top and then put the hair clutch like this over it. For more such interesting videos, follow our page and let us know in the comment section whether you liked it or not. Next, make a ponytail. Now divide the hairs and then roll them together like this. After folding it, we will fold the hairs upward and make a bun. So first fold the hairs properly and tie it at the end. Now fold it upward like this and make a bun. Fix it tightly using the hair clutch or the rubber band like this and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.